Be honest. Have you ever stared at your notes the night before an exam and thought, why do I always do this to myself? Don't feel bad yet because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how you see last minute studying. Stay till the end. You might realize you are not lazy. You are accidentally brilliant. Yes, brilliant. When you study close to the exam, everything is still fresh. You don't need 10 revisions. You don't need notes from 2 months ago. It's playing in your mind like a podcast on repeat. Meanwhile, someone who studied long ago is thinking, wait, was this chapter 3 or chapter 7? And you're writing answers like you learned them 5 minutes ago. If anyone asks how you remembered so much, just say you have a photographic memory. Here's where it gets powerful. When you study everything in a short time window, your brain starts connecting all the dots. You suddenly see the entire syllabus together. It's like binge watching a series instead of one episode per week. Suddenly, the whole story makes sense. You are no longer stuck inside the chapters. You rise above them. You see patterns, you see links, you see structure. This is helicopter view. This is where the confusion turns into clarity. So now the secret weapon. There's something called Parkinson's law. Work expands and contracts to fill the time. So give yourself 3 months, you move slowly. And give yourself 3 days, you become laser focused. Suddenly, your phone is quiet, your concentration is sharp, coffee becomes your closest ally. You finish in hours what takes weeks. Everyone else stretches their study time like a chewing gum, but you cut through the syllabus like a ninja. So now listen carefully. This doesn't mean procrastination is good. It means if you are studying at the last minute, don't panic. Use it strategically. Focus on big concepts, high yield topics, connections, previous questions. Turn pressure into performance. Diamonds are formed under pressure. So are the great answers. So the next time, if you are studying late, remember, you are not behind. You are entering a superhero mode. Slow learners quit, fast learners panic, smart learners adapt. So you got this. And before you go, if this video gave you even a little confidence, hit the like button. If you want more simple, practical study strategies, make sure to subscribe. And if you know someone who is probably studying at the last minute right now, share this video with them. Drop your own last minute study stories in the comments. I read every single one of them. Thank you for watching the video. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you have got this.